Hey there, it's Sakai here. Welcome back to the Lean Skill channel. If you ever struggle with getting users to log into sandboxes directly from production, you're not alone. Remembering specific URLs, resetting passwords, or updating emails can be a real hassle. But today I'm going to show you a seamless way to make this process easier, faster, and more secure for both parties, the admins and the users. Regularly using sandboxes is essential for building and maintaining high-quality applications, solutions, but it often comes with a set of challenges. Whether it's dealing with usernames, URLs, or email resets, these tasks can be unnecessary friction to your workflow. And in this video, I'll guide you through setting up a single sign-on from production to Sandbox, which will eliminate these common issues and streamline your development process. No more provisioning licenses, hunting down forgetting passwords, or resetting user details. Let's dive in how you can simplify your Sandbox logins and save time, all while keeping your environment secure and user-friendly. Perfect. So now we are at our production environment. So we want in the production environment a quick app that, once we click on it, takes us to the Sandbox environment. So just a quick, make sure you're also logged into your Sandbox environment. And for today's video, it's called Demo 3. And first, I actually want to quick show you how it works. So if I click SSO, I'm gonna log into our Demo 2 environment. User will be able to log into a Sandbox. Actually, any user that you allow to, see this button and click have the right permissions, will be able to log into any demo environment that you are working with or needs to present something in Sandbox. Just very easy. Okay, now jumping to Sandbox, what you should do first is you go here and click Identity Provider. By default, Salesforce creates one for you already as soon as you create a new environment in Salesforce. So you should be able to see one. Or if you created other certificates, then you can use other certificates as well. But make sure you choose one. I'm gonna use the one that's on my screen. I'm gonna download this certificate. So let me place it somewhere safe. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna save this. So the SAML metadata discovery endpoint. So go here, you see Salesforce identity. Copy the entire URL, and now it's turn to go into your Sandbox environment. In this case, it's Demo 3, and go ahead and create a remote site. So click on Remote Site Settings, create a new remote site, put a name on it. So I'm gonna call it Demo 3 SSO, and paste that remote site URL in here. Make sure it's active, hit save. Next, what you're gonna do is hit single sign-on settings in the search bar, click new from metadata URL, paste that URL you copied from here, and click create. Once that's created, make sure you choose that certificate, you download it from Sandbox, from production, from here, and also choose the right certificate. And then next is choosing the SAML, SOM identity type. My recommendation is to use, if it's your first time doing this, use user ID, because user IDs in general match, they all match across systems. Across Sandbox and production environment, if the environment was refreshed, or if you created from Sandbox, from production. But if you're more advanced, you can customize by using Federation ID. So let's keep user ID for the moment. And also make sure we have single logout enabled unchecked. Once you do that, make sure to save it. And we should be good in here. Awesome. So what's next is go back to your production environment and click manager, app manager. And you're gonna create a new app, so a new connected app. We're gonna name it Demo 3 Sandbox SSO. You can use my email address in here. That phone is wrong. Well, you don't need the phone, so not mandatory. I'm gonna leave it blank. Next is you're gonna go ahead and enable SAM with the identity ID. Go back to your Sandbox, copy this Sandbox, copy the entity ID from here, paste it in here. For the ACS URL, we need to go back here, copy from login URL, and paste in here. Once you hit here, you need to make sure you choose the right certificate. It can be default if you only have one, like myself, or choose the one you selected earlier. So it needs to match the same certificate where you downloaded that file. We need to make sure the subject type is actually user ID, so it matches what you selected in the identity type, so SAM identity type. And once we're done with this, you hit save. From here, click manage. Make sure to include into profiles that will need access to this. Or if you want to create a permission set, you can also do that from here. In this demo, I'm gonna add as a system admin, so the same profile as I am currently in Salesforce. So with that, make sure this is good. So okay, once you have this, please copy this. So IDP initiated login URL in here, start URL. So you need to go and edit the policy and put it right there. Once you do that, save. And now we should be able to see it populating here. once, and now it's just time to test this out. I'm gonna log out from the Sandbox environment and click demo 3 right here. Once I do that, it takes me to Sandbox demo 3. No pain, no need to remember usernames or passwords. It's just very straightforward and easy to use. So with this, if you like this content, please hit the like button and also subscribe for more technical content from Linkscale. Thank you.